hope you're doing well. So in this video, I will show to you the 5 powerful ways that I wrote here, and I think that can help you to achieve the success you want in your life. So let's start. Number 1, choose your life goals. Choose your life goals. You will get a clear vision of what environment you will need to be. So example, if you want to be a musician, we follow other musicians. We will not follow some football players, some chiefs or anything else. You will not follow people who are not aligning to your vision. So number 2, meet new people, increase your network. Meeting new people, you'll know more about the world, and that will open your mind to have new and bad habits to attract the life you want. So what I'm saying is that you need to go out maybe at night or the day and meet new people, and those people will help you sharing information. So you'll start taking conversations and know more about other cultures and everything else. Number 3, redecorate your space. Redecorate your space can be done by removing all the distractions at your workspace. The distractions I'm talking about is things are things that are not helping you to get the job done. So stop being with your cell phone there. Put in the silence, don't disturb mode, disable the notifications at your laptop or everything else. That will help you to achieve your goals, and this is one of the way to the success. Number 4, surround with people aligned with the same goal. So when you meet new people, you will need to filter those who can add value to your life and help to be more closer to your goal. So you will meet more people if you increase your network, right? So when you meet those people, you will need to know what the right persons to go with in your journey. Can be in a relationship or a friendship. You will need to be in a group with people that are got good habits and clear vision of what they want, and that is aligned with you. So choose the right group and go with them. Number 5, move to a new city. It's not about moving your residence or changing your place of residence, but it's about traveling. You will meet new countries, new habits, new cultures, and this will create more value to your life. So the first thing you need to do is to get out of your comfort zone to attract what you want. So you will not be in your city saying the same things all day. So you need to go to other states, other countries, meet new people, as I was saying before. So this will help you to be more closer to your goals. I hope you enjoyed this video. Drop your like, subscribe to the channel, and share these 5 steps that are powerful and can help you to achieve the life you want. Thanks.